Welcome. In this video, we'll cover the topics of adjusting colors and applying gain filters in SonarWiz. I've created a project, imported our files, bottom tracked them, and now I'm ready to adjust the color histogram values and apply gain filters to make our data look as good as possible. First, I'll adjust the color settings for side scan. The color settings can be adjusted in the color window at this button here that can enable and disable our color window. Here are our palette options where you can change the palette to grayscale, bronze, green, rainbow, and many other palette options. SonarWiz even enables you to create your own custom color palette if you'd like by using our palette editor. Next, I'll set the scale mode to auto per file, and this will auto-generate the min and max values for the file. This can also be done by going to manual and clicking scale to best. As you see, we receive the same output. When two data sets overlap, you need to decide how you would like SonarWiz to display the overlapped region in the mosaic. There are 4 options available in the side scan overlap mode menu. The first, shine through, always shows the brightest target in the stack. This is good for looking for targets. The second, average, averages the intensity values of the overlap region. This is a good choice for making habitat maps where you want to minimize the differences between lines. The third option, cover up, draws the data sets in the order that is shown in the Project Explorer window. Our fourth option, root mean square, is similar to average. I will make our mode average for this video. Once you've got a color scheme you like, the next step is to correct the side scan images for variation in backscatter intensity that occurred due to spreading loss and other radiometric and mechanical phenomena. SonarWiz has several statistical gain algorithms that you can apply to your data that compensate for these effects and produce a more uniform mosaic. In this example, we'll show you how to use a simple one, automatic time varying gain, or auto-TVG. This algorithm looks at your sonar data ping by ping and tries to compensate for the cross-track loss and backscatter intensity by computing an appropriate time varying gain. It's not perfect, but it is easy to use. To access auto-TVG, select a file, right-click, and select Settings, which will bring up our gain settings window. There are a number of options to choose from, and I encourage you to experiment with the different options. For the purposes of this quick start video, though, we'll use auto-TVG gain filter. I'll just check this box, use the default settings, and click OK. As you can see, our color has changed, so if since it's set to manual, I click scale to best, and you can see it will adjust this file to automatically adjust to the new min and max histogram color values. We can zoom in on the file, and we see a nice contrast with the boulders. I like the overall look of my image, so I'm ready to apply these settings to the rest of my files. To do that, I'll select the file, right-click, and choose Make Others Like This. It will bring up this window you see here. From there, I'll just check the box next to Auto-TVG. As you can see, it says On. And I can also use the Apply All settings. Check all to make sure all my files are selected. And then I'll click OK. That will apply my gain filter colors across all files in the project. One last reminder, colors and gains can be adjusted throughout the post-processing, so feel free to continually adjust as needed. As you can see here, this file may need to be adjusted a little bit. So these can continuously be adjusted as you proceed. Thanks for watching.